Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pastor again, and now like and subscribe to my channel. Let us roll the intro and dive straight into this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pastor Agenda. Now in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can be able to master the art of photography in just one day. Trust me, if you follow these steps, you'll be able to perfect the photography game in just one day. The first thing you need to do to master photography in no time is get a friend who has a camera, or make sure you have a nice phone that has a camera. This will help you to be able to practice as much as possible, but also it will enable you follow along this video. Now, the first thing you need to learn if you want to become an amazing photographer is these three settings, and that is ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. What is ISO? ISO is the setting in your camera that will help you to adjust to different light settings. Then you have aperture, which will help you get that f-stop or even that background blur, which you're seeing in this video that my background is really blurred. And then shutter speed, that will help you capture motion. Now, you need to go online and research and study these three settings, because these three settings will control the way your pictures turn out, and they will help you to have perfectly exposed images. When you have mastered ISO, shutter speed, and f-stop, you need to learn camera angles and composition. Why this is essential? These two aspects will help you on how you can be able to frame your photos, how you can be able to calculate the background of your photos, how you can be able to compose your photos. What is composing your photos? That is the skill of you determining what should be in your frame and what shouldn't be in your frame that you're going to take a picture of. So you need to take time and study composition and framing, and this will help you to be a better photographer. The way photographers take pictures that you admire online, or even those that you are framing in your house, is they consider camera angles. So you need to learn camera angles, and these angles will help you to frame your pictures perfectly, or even to take amazing photos. So take time and understand those camera angles, and trust me, in no time, when you understand camera angles, that will be a skill that you have learned, and it will make your pictures stand out from so many people's pictures. Now, another thing you need to put into practice for you to be an amazing photographer is to take as many pictures every day. As you're taking these many pictures, you need to also learn from the mistakes you make from each photo you take. This will help you perfect your photography skills. I'm going to tell you a story of two photographers. One will be taking pictures every day, and another will have to take pictures once in a week. After a whole year, and you put these two photographers together, you realize that the person who has been taking so many pictures every day will have perfected their skills. So you need to practice so much for you to be able to perfect the photography skill. Lastly, you need to take time and follow photographers that do work that you admire. Why this is very important? You'll be able to get inspirations from these particular people's work. So take time and follow the photographers that you admire, and they will be able to push you to practice each and every day. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Pastor Agenda. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.